Welcome to another Form Titan video. In this video, we'll talk about step number 2, set up your URL parameters for the GET. Okay, we're going to head over to our form. Our fields are created. Now we're going to go ahead and set up our URL parameters. Now, how does that work? Well, it's all in the hidden field. So get your hidden field onto the layout. And I'm going to make it a little bit bigger for now. So this is a hidden field and the end user will not be able to see it. I'm going to call it contact ID. But for our testing purposes, we are going to go ahead and enable the hidden field so we can see it. So to enable it, click on Form, Debug Mode, and just check Show Hidden Fields. Okay. Now, one of the important things here is to make note of what the field number is called. So for me, it is FLD165, but if you're like a brand new form creator, it could be anything. So make sure you note down the number somewhere on a notepad. So mine is FLD165. And what I'll do is I'll get like a little label, and we'll call this label here FLD65, 165. Okay, so once you've got that, go ahead and preview your form, and now notice this, that there's your hidden field. After the question mark, if I type in FLD165 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then you can see that that value has now been passed into this hidden field right there. And in simple terms, what that means is this, that if I go to Salesforce here, now the unique record ID for the contact that I'm viewing is over here. So Joe Blogs here. So what you would do is, instead of this, you would type, or if you're pulling it from Salesforce directly, you would put it like this, record.id. And then you can obviously build a button in Salesforce and it will automatically populate the ID. But in this term, what I'll do is I'll just paste the record ID there. Now that record ID is populated, we can go ahead and do a get on rest of the fields based on this contact ID. So that's how it's done. That's how you set up the URL parameter. Simply get yourself a hidden field like this. Remember what the number is. In my case, it is FLD165. Then go ahead and preview it. And then right here, type FLD165 equals your contact ID or your account ID if you're pulling back account, or if you have a custom object, the record ID for that, pop it in there, and now that value will be passed in there. And now you can do a get on that. So that's how you set up the parameter. I'll see you on the next video.